Okay, so this is a noise test. I'm talking very, very quietly, so you can quickly hear how noisy Stora is. I will then switch on my ReadyNAS NVX with 4 terabytes of storage on it, so you can compare the sound levels. So let's listen to Stora. So you're effectively putting your ear up against it right now. Okay, from a distance of 1 foot, that is the noise. I'll now switch on my NVX. And there you go. You might not be able to hear that, but the NVX on idle completely drowns out the Stora. It's substantially noisier, and that's the same fan size as you'd have in the NV Plus as well. Anyway, that's it from me.